DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2.0. How to find one, coming up. As many of you know, I recently purchased a DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2.0, and I received a lot of questions because a lot of you are interested in purchasing one. So what I thought I'd like to do would be to put together this clip to give you some of the tips and suggestions on where you can find one and finding one at a good price. Now, first of all, I have to tell you that I did find mine on eBay. I did spend a lot of time searching on eBay, and I was able to come across a gem, as it only had 2 hours of runtime on it. So my number one suggestion would be eBay. You do need to pay attention daily because it does change on a daily basis. Now, there are some brand new ones out there. However, be forewarned, because of the law of supply and demand, so I've seen some prices on those go as high as $2,000. So that's my first suggestion. My second suggestion is to check Facebook groups. Now, there are some Facebook groups that are specifically set up to buy and sell DJI drones, and I would definitely check on those next. Also, be sure, and as a tip, be sure when in any of these transactions, especially if it's outside of eBay, that you use a form of payment, a secure form of payment like PayPal, where you do have some protection as far as a buyer is concerned. Now, the third suggestion that I would look at would be to look at forums such as the Phantom Pilots forum. They do have great classifieds out there, and again, those do change on a daily basis as well. So go ahead out there, and also you can go ahead and say wanted DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2.0, and you'll get responses out there. So that's another great suggestion. And the last is going out and looking out on some websites. Now, I can tell you there are not many out there that actually do have the Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 available for sale. I did find that Alibaba had it, but as of the time of this video, they are asking $1,799 for it, a $300 premium. So if you're willing to pay that premium, they do have that available. Question of the day. Will you be purchasing a Phantom 4 Pro V2.0? Let me know in the comments section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also, be sure to check out my Twitter account where I do post daily updates and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.